Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you all my February beauty favorites. Before we begin with today's video, however, I'd love to welcome everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. My name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, be sure to subscribe and make sure that you follow me on all of my other social media platforms. Let's talk February beauty favorites. I don't have a ton of products as per usual. Let's see here. I have maybe one or two products that have been mentioned here on my channel before. Sometimes I feel like because I have been doing, a ranking of video or best moisturizers for video, I feel like maybe I've mentioned them before, or maybe I haven't. I just get so confused. I'm going to start with the Oola Enrixon Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. I have been using this and loving this. I did do a review on this, so if you missed that, I will link her up above, so that way you can learn a little bit more about this. Since that review, I have been using this during my morning routine after doing a regular cleanse. I work out in the morning, so I will take a pea-sized amount, maybe a nickel-sized amount, depending on how much I'm covering. So I will work it over wet skin and I will let it sit over the skin for about 2 minutes. This does have AETHER and lemon peel extract as well as sugar to exfoliate the skin. What I love about this is that it has not irritated or given me a rash, as the vast majority of physical exfoliants have. And I just love how luminous and glassy my skin feels after use. It just does a really good job at exfoliating the skin and priming it for makeup. So if you're dealing with texture, congestion, and just really need to get rid of any dead cellular debris that's sitting over top of the skin, I highly recommend this. If you have a lot of breakouts, if you have acne prone skin or really sensitive skin, rosacea, definitely avoid this. You don't want to use physical exfoliants over severely broken out skin, as some of these little bits may burst your blemish or your lesion. And then you're just going to be spreading that bacteria all over the face. So if you have a ton of breakouts over the skin, do avoid physical exfoliants. Another one of my favorites for the month is the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. Now, I recently did a review on this particular product as well, so I will link it up above in case you missed it, in case you want to learn a little bit more about it. Since the test, I have still been using this, even though I really want to get back to my Summer Friday Soft Reset. I just keep reaching for this for some odd reason. This is a 10% AHA blend, and you also have BHAs. The only thing that I did notice is that this did not minimize the severity of my hormonal breakouts, even though it does have BHAs in there. Let me see, I still have a couple of breakouts here, so this would just really help to very gently resurface the skin and give you a bit of a glow. So I've been using this. It's just very gentle. So if you are starting your journey onto exfoliating acids or acid blends, this would be a great starter. If you have severely textured skin, I would try to condition the skin and work your way up towards the Summer Friday Soft Reset. But I have been enjoying this so far. I feel like, considering that I've been testing a number of products, this has been very gentle to my skin, and I've been enjoying it. You know, like for some reason I'm like, all right, I'll try this again, or okay, I'm going to use this again. I just haven't been able to stop using it. Another product that I guess I am revisiting, and I have mentioned this, perhaps favorited this in the past, but this is the Murad City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. I don't know why, but I decided to revisit this, and I have been loving this. This is what I'm wearing underneath the makeup today as a makeup primer, and I've been wearing this to work as well, and it just does very, very well. I love the little bit of a peach tint. This is a mineral sunscreen, and it helps to diffuse the appearance of hyperpigmentation. It's one of the more easier to blend, no white cast mineral sunscreens that I have in my collection, and it's been a favorite. I used to buy this before I got on Murad's PR list. I know I bought the first unit when it hit our spa shelves, and I just immediately loved it. It's a really, really nice formula. If this starts to pill on you, it just means that you're applying way too much. So this is going to protect against burning rays, aging rays, pollution, blue light from devices, and infrared radiation. Love this so much. Forgot how much I loved it until I started using it again. As far as nighttime moisturizer, I have been reaching for the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. This contains African oils and ceramides. This is just a very, very lovely formula by Drunk Elephant. I love pairing this after applying a very generous layer of the Drunk Elephant Apessione Retinol Cream. So what I do at night is I alternate between this on, let's say, Monday, and then I apply this on Tuesday, hydrate. This goes on Wednesday, and then, well, wait, no, Thursday, and then this goes on Friday. So just kind of alternating between one and the other. And if my skin needs it, I will throw in a hydrating routine. But I love following this with the Lala Retro. So I love this combo. Alone, if you're not into retinol, if you have sensitive skin and just can't tolerate it, this is perfect for my drier skin types. I have normal skin, so this is around the time where I use something like this. Granted, not every night, but every other night, quite possibly. If you're living in a dry climate, cold climate right now, this would be a good option. If you have drier, chapped skin and you need something richer than this, Honey Halo would be a great option for you as well. So there are a couple of options that I am, throwing out there in case you perhaps don't like Drunk Elephant Pharmacy's Honey Halo is a great option. It's definitely richer and more velvety, far more hydrating. I don't remember if there are any sensitizing ingredients within that formula, but I know that Drunk Elephant's formulas are free of any sensitizing or drying alcohols. So overall, I've just been enjoying this combo a lot. For hair, I didn't want to do any heat styling. This is just like my air dried hair, but for hair, a Function of Beauty very generously sent this over. This is their straight hair shampoo with coconut water and straight hair conditioner. So these are now available at Target, and they sent over this. I was able to kind of pick my base and a booster. I picked the strengthening booster because, as you can tell, I haven't been able to see my hair magician in a while, but I do have a hair appointment scheduled, I think, in a couple of weeks, first or second or third week of March, I forgot. But I'm very excited to see her because my hair really just needs some coloring. And since I haven't seen her, I, of course have a ton of split ends, a lot of damage from heat styling, but I feel like this has done an excellent job at really strengthening my hair. Like, I love how strong it feels, how smooth it feels, how soft it feels. And my favorite thing is that this doesn't have like an overwhelming scent to it. It lathers really nicely in the shower and it removes effortlessly in the shower as well. I love that it's sulfate-free, naturally derived, cruelty-free, vegan, and made with recycled plastic. So I love that this is now something that you can purchase at your local Target. I know I will be repurchasing this. And really fun fact, Ruben really loves the conditioner. He has like the shortest hair. Even though he hasn't been able to see his hair magician, he has been putting this on his hair, and his hair is like literally like this long probably. But he says he loves this as well, and I love it too. So these have been a favorite of ours, I guess, for the month of February. That is all I have for today's video. It's very short and quick, and just as short and quick as February was, huh? So I thank you all for spending some time with me today. I hope you all have a lovely March, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.